rear of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo, precisely modified exterior design hones the sporting profile and distinctive characteristics of the dynamic 5-door model. High-quality materials and equipment features enhance the sumptuous ambience of the interior. 48V mild hybrid technology raises efficiency and dynamism. Cutting-edge innovations in the areas of driver assistance, control/operation and connectivity. Unique vehicle concept in the premium executive class brings long distance comfort together with sporty looks with intelligent functionality. More than 50,000 units of the BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo now sold worldwide. Production for global markets at BMW Plant Dingolfing. Market launch of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo from July 2020. Redesigned front and rear ends bring increased presence and powerful sporting allure. Larger BMW kidney grille and slimmer headlights accentuate the car's dynamic character. New adaptive LED headlights with matrix technology fitted as standard. Latest version of BMW Laserlight can be ordered as an option. Exceptionally clear surfacing emphasizes the width of the rear end. All model variants now with trapezoidal exhaust tailpipe finishers. New high-quality options for enhanced traveling comfort, ambient lighting with dynamic interior lighting, further developed rear seat entertainment professional. Also available, 4-zone automatic climate control, panoramic glass sunroof. Electrically adjustable roller sunblinds, Bowers Wilkins Diamond surround sound system. 2 petrol and 3 diesel engines available. All engine variants now with 48V mild hybrid technology. More rapid response and greater efficiency thanks to 48V starter generator with extra 8 kW/11 horsepower to boost the combustion engine's power and ease its workload. Further develop BMW twin-power turbo technology. 4 and 6-cylinder petrol engines with optimized direct injection. All diesel engines now with 2-stage turbocharging. All models now comply with the Euro 6D emissions standard. 8-speed Steptronic transmission standard for all model variants. BMW xDrive intelligent all-wheel drive either standard or optional for 3 engine variants. Optional integral active steering now offers greater assistance in low-speed maneuvering. Rear axle air suspension with automatic self-leveling fitted as standard. Also available as an option, adaptive 2-axle air suspension, adaptive suspension, executive drive with active roll stabilization. New driver assistance systems and extended functions smooth the way to automated driving. The lane departure warning component of the optional driving assistant now also has the lane return function. Steering and lane control assistant part of the optional driving assistant professional now also includes active navigation, automatic formation of emergency lane, and junction warning with city braking function. Optional active cruise control with stop-go function now includes adaptive distance control. BMW 640i Gran Turismo BMW 640i xDrive Gran Turismo 6-cylinder inline petrol engine, mild hybrid technology, 8-speed Steptronic transmission, BMW xDrive. Capacity, 2,998 cc's, output, 245 kW/333 horsepower at 5,500 to 6,250 RPMs, max torque, 450 Nm 332 pounds-ft at 1,600 to 4,800 RPMs acceleration 0 to 100 km/h 62 mph 5.5 seconds 5.4 seconds, top speed, 250 km/h 155 mph 250 km/h 155 mph. Fuel consumption, combined, 7.0-6.8 L/100 km 40.4 to 41.5 mpg imp 7.4-7.2 L/100 km 38.2 to 39.2 mpg imp. CO2 emissions, combined, 160-155 g/km 170-166 g/km, exhaust standard, Euro 6D. 5.4 seconds, top speed, 250 km/h 155 mph 250 km/h 155 mph. Fuel consumption, combined, 7.0-6.8 L/100 km 40.4 to 41.5 mpg imp 7.4-7.2 L/100 km 38.2 to 39.2 mpg imp. CO2 emissions, combined, 160-155 g/km 170-166 g/km. Exhaust standard, Euro 6D.